In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up one-click trading on Etoro. This feature can greatly enhance your trading experience by allowing you to execute trades with a single click, saving you valuable time and effort. If you're ready to streamline your trading process, follow along with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Etoro website. Etoro offers a comprehensive platform where you can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs all in one place. Once you're there, locate the login option at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you're not yet registered, you'll need to sign up and create an account before proceeding further. Assuming you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Etoro homepage. This is your central hub for all things trading, giving you an overview of current market trends and your portfolio's performance. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with this page, as it contains useful information and insights. Next, let's proceed to the settings to enable one-click trading. From the homepage, look for the settings icon or menu, which is generally located at the top. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a new page with various options that allow you to customize your trading experience and account preferences. Within the settings, you'll find a section labeled Trading. Go ahead and click on it. This section is vital as it encompasses all the trading functionalities and settings specific to your trading requirements on Etoro. Now that you're in the trading settings, find the option that says One-Click Trading. Click on this option to access the setup for this feature. One-click trading is particularly useful when market conditions are volatile and speed is of the essence. It allows you to open and close positions rapidly without having to go through multiple confirmation screens every time you wish to make a trade. To activate one-click trading, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Be sure to review any prompts or confirmations that Etoro may display. Keep in mind that while this feature speeds up trading, it also removes some protective confirmations, so it's wise to be absolutely sure about your trades before executing them. Once you've enabled one-click trading, take a moment to go back to the home page. From here, you can start executing trades with the newfound efficiency that this feature provides. It's designed to make your trading smoother, allowing you to capitalize on market opportunities as they arise without delay. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up one-click trading on Etoro. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency and responsiveness in your trading activities. And remember to continue practicing diligent risk management to protect your investments. Happy trading!